Climb up now. Let me see how quick you climb up. That's too slow. That's too slow.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, you know how to put your seat belt?
Miss.
Let me hold your glass. Okay, put your seat belt.
Okay.
Other one.
Yay. What's
Okay,
the
I got
other
it.
one?
Oh. Here. You know how to put it? You know how to do it. That's nice.
Now.
I don't know how to put it. Now you need to pull it.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's fine. Not too much tight. I don't know how to do it, sweetie. Put your glass. I see how pretty you are. Look at that. You're so pretty. Hello, Ate.
Hello,
Ate.
Ate.
Who are your ates? Who are your ates in the Philippines? Hello, Ate.
Ate? What Ate?
Who's your ates? Who's your sisis there?
This is the
Ate Michael.
Ate Maika.
Ate Tingkay.
Ate Tinku.
Ate Balanday.
Ate Balanda.
Ate Insik.
Insik.
Ate Pinang.
Ate Pinang.
And the last one, Ate Sophie.
That's one Ate Sophie.
And Auntie Palang.
Auntie Palang.
Do you know her?
Mm-hmm.
We got lots of pictures with Ate Palang in Kuwait before. You forgot it? You're still a little girl there. How about you, Pudding? What a big eyes. I'm scared of the mumu with Ate Tingkay.
Yeah.
I will print that picture. This is the only thing that scares you.
From being bugoy.
You're from being bugoy. Because he's too much bugoy.
And too much scary.
Yeah, tell Ate Tingkay. That mumu is too much scary.